How to change your country on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You can launch Roblox application or simply the web version of Roblox from your browser. Sign into your account. Now head towards settings icon at top right and tap setting. From the settings section, you can see different kinds of options like gender, language, theme and many more. But there is no the option to change your language. Sorry, there is no option to change your country on Roblox. You can only do is simply tap on language and switch it to language of the country you want, for example, French for France. After that, you need to come back and again tap on gear icon at top right and then tap logout button. You can even log out all other sessions and then log out of your current session as well. On your phone, you have to go to settings. Open it and scroll down. Choose additional settings and tap language and region. And from here, you need to make sure to change the region by tapping region. If you need to convince Roblox you have moved, you can use the VPN to connect from the desired country. Log into Roblox while the VPN is active. So these are only the way to change your country on Roblox. So there is no direct way to change country on Roblox currently. Only thing you can do instead is while creating your Roblox account, you can change at that time only. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.